Imagine you've been eyeing that new smartphone for months, but the price tag is a bit steep. What if you could spread out the payments over time without the hassle of credit cards? That's where GrabPay installment comes in. Ever wondered how GrabPay installment actually works? Let's break it down. What is GrabPay installment? GrabPay installment is a feature that allows you to pay for your purchases in installments instead of all at once. It's like a digital layaway plan, but without the need to physically store the item. How does it work? Choose eligible items. Look for items marked installment on the Grab app. These could be electronics, appliances, or even fashion items. Select installment plan. When you're ready to buy, choose the installment plan that suits your budget. Options typically range from 3 to 12 months. Pay down payment. You'll need to pay a down payment up front. The remaining balance will be divided into equal monthly installments. Enjoy your purchase. Once the down payment is made, you can enjoy your purchase immediately. Benefits of GrabPay installment. Flexible payments. Choose a plan that fits your budget and lifestyle. No hidden fees. There are no additional charges or interest rates. Easy to use. The process is simple and straightforward. Secure transactions. GrabPay ensures your transactions are safe and secure. Eligibility criteria. GrabPay user. You need to have a GrabPay account to use this feature. Verified identity. Your identity must be verified with Grab. Good payment history. A good payment history with GrabPay is preferred. Common questions. Can I use GrabPay installment for any item? No, only eligible items marked installment can be purchased using this feature. What happens if I miss a payment? Missing a payment may affect your future eligibility for GrabPay installment. Can I pay off the remaining balance early? Yes, you can pay off the remaining balance at any time. Real-life example. Let's say you want to buy a new laptop that costs $1,000. You choose a 6-month installment plan with a 20% down payment. This means you'll pay $200 upfront and the remaining $800 will be divided into 6 equal monthly payments of $133.33. GrabPay installment offers a convenient and affordable way to purchase items you want without breaking the bank. By understanding how it works and meeting the eligibility criteria, you can take advantage of this feature and enjoy your purchases hassle-free. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.